Neil from Exterior Clean Melbourne and R Clean, coming to you on this property. Severe render issues. Actually, they've got real problems around water in general. If you look up here, this entire section of render is just cracking away. So yeah, so we're just going to be tidying up this section here, which is really black and moldy, as well as this section here, and that's all we're doing on this property. They will most likely have to re-render at some point because yeah, it's just so dirty. There we go. Anyway, I'll show you the results. No doubt we'll be using a chemical wash on this as per usual, mold and mildew treatment, and it will be a very strong treatment, and we may even do a few treatments on this to get it back to a reasonable standard. Okay, look forward to showing you the results. Folks, almost like new. Beautiful. Really happy with that. We did actually do 2 treatments on this. Also really good here. I don't know if that black is the underside board, or if it's, I mean, it might be the thinness of the render. I'm just trying to look at it close up. It's kind of hard to determine what that kind of underlying black color is, but even here it just looks so much better. It doesn't take much. Give you an idea, you know, we did this in less than an hour, these 2 sections, you know, so it really doesn't take much to lift your property up so that it has better street appeal. And also fundamentally, you don't want to be having mold continuously growing and, you know, water continuously running down your render. The idea is it looks neat and crisp, and that's why people put render on. So I hope that's helpful. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do have any exterior cleaning needs, do give us a call. We'd be happy to offer a quote. Thanks for watching.